Hello viewers, today in this video I will talk about iPad Air M1. Many people are actually asking me about this iPad. iPad Air M1 was launched in 2023. iPad Air M1 comes with a vibrant display. It comes with liquid retina display perfect for content consumption and creative work. The viewing angles of this iPad is very good. There is no color distortion at all. Actually, this display supports P3 wide color gamut. This is a professional grade feature that means the screen can display a much wider range of colors than standard RGB. For photographers, videographers and content creators, this is a huge plus point. iPad Air M1 comes with M1 chipset that is enough for studies, note-taking and research. iPad M1 supports key productivity and multitasking features like Stage Manager. It is well optimized for a wide range of pro applications like Procreate, LumaFusion and Affinity Designer. iPad generally provides better battery life. In this case also you will get a very good battery life. You will definitely get full day battery life with this iPad Air M1. Software experience on iPad devices is excellent. Even in 2025, you will get updates and many more years are left for future updates. With every new update, users will get new features. If you have iPhone, MacBook, in that case, the ecosystem will be seamless and integration with iPad Air M1 will be a very good option for many. If you install the latest iPadOS 26 public beta 2, you will have lots of options. However, if you are not willing to update to the beta version, you can wait and you will definitely get all these features in stable version of iPadOS 26. iPad Air M1 is a beast for video editing. It handles the core processing of every frame, allowing you to cut and trim clips smoothly. Even in 2025, the M1's sheer processing power means you won't be waiting for the timeline to catch up with your edits. So you can easily edit 4K 60 FPS videos and render them in HDR content. Now, if you are planning to buy iPad Air M1, you must be aware about the best price of this iPad, otherwise you may have end up buying it at a higher price tag. As M2 and M3 are already in the market, the best price for iPad Air M1 right now for the 64GB version is around 35,000 rupees or less. During Big Billion Days sale, you can get this price point, so you have to wait till Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian sale. But I would suggest you to buy the 128GB variant that would cost around 40,000 rupees. But during Big Billion Days sale, the 128GB of iPad Air M1 may be sold at a lesser price point, so you have to wait and watch for the offers. If you want to know more about it or about the latest deals and offers on tablets, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on. Plus, if you have any questions in your mind, you can ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. But only condition is that you have to like the video, hype the video and then ask your question. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.